Hello kids, today we will see a new chapter. Which chapter is that? Anyone can guess? It's about weather. Our last chapter, 17th chapter, weather. Let's see the introduction part. Weather changes every day. Yes, every day we can see the weather changes, right? See? Oh, different weathers. It affects our day-to-day life. Yes. We wear different clothes as per the different weather condition. As we have already learned in our previous chapter, chapter number 12, that clothes we wear, right? In different seasons, we wear different types of clothes. Like that way, today we will learn about the weather, right? So, types of weather conditions. Weather can be hot, cold, rainy, windy, or cloudy. On a hot and sunny day, we stay inside our house. Yes, on a hot day, we don't go out in the sun, right? It's too hot. Oh my god, so much hot. We sit under AC, we sit under fan, right? We wear light colored cotton clothes. Yes, as we have learned in this summer season, we wear cotton clothes, right? Then on a cold day, we wear woolen clothes. What type of clothes we wear? Woolen clothes. We sit around a fireplace or use heaters. Yes, when it is too much of cold, we sit nearby the fireplace or use a heater. Sometimes we also sit out in sun on a cold days. Yes, when it's too cold, we sit out in the sun, right? To get warm, right? Oh, it's raining. We wear a raincoat and gumsuits or use an umbrella when we go out on a rainy day, right? During the rainy season, when we are going out, we carry these things, right? Like raincoat, gumsuits, umbrella, right? Do you know peacocks often open their feathers and dance when it is about to rain? Yes, when it's a rainy season, you can see the peacocks opening their feathers and dancing, right? Or windy day, types of weather conditions. On a windy day, dry leaves, paper, and many other things fly in the air. Weather of a place does not remain the same. Yes, in different places, they are different weather, right? Oh my god, in a windy day, it's too windy, right? Dry leaves, paper, and many other things which fly in the air. Okay, this is a short chapter. You understood, right? Different seasons, different weather conditions, right? So we'll start with the hard words. These hard words you have to write down in your notebook. Okay, so the first one, weather. 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 Windy. 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 Cloudy. 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 Sunny. 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 Fireplace. fireplace. Place. Fireplace. Heaters. 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 Now words to know. This also you have to write down in your notebook. Windy. A day when strong wind blows. Fireplace. an open space in a room for fire. Okay, we'll start with the activity. This is a textbook activity. This you have to do it in the textbook only. Okay, so this is the match the columns you have to match. So the first question is, on a hot day, what do we do? Anyone? On a hot day, we wear cotton clothes. Yes. Now, on a cold day, what do we do? We wear woolen clothes. Yes. Then on a rainy day, we use an umbrella. Then on a cloudy day, what do we do? What do we see? Yes, we see clouds in the sky. Yes. Then on a windy day, we see leaves flying in the air. Okay, this activity you have to do it in the textbook only. Okay, then answer the question. We'll see the question answers. First one, name different types of weather condition. You have to name them. So answer is, weather can be hot, cold, rainy, windy or cloudy, right? Then the second question, what happens on a windy and a sunny day? What happens? On a windy day, dry leaves, paper and many other things fly in the air. And on a hot day or a sunny day, we wear light colored cotton clothes and stay inside our houses. Okay, these questions you can write down in your notebook. Up to here, everyone understood about the chapter? It was a small chapter. We already have gone through this topic in the earlier chapter, that is 12th chapter, right? Different seasons and different seasons, in different seasons what we wear, right? So till then, take care. Bye bye.